Guys, so welcome back to my channel, Jim Vance TV. So guys, in today's video, ituturo ko guys kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng money from Hello Money to Maya Wallet. Okay, so tuturuan ko guys kung paano. So keep watching guys. So first guys, kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng money from Hello Money app to Maya. So, click lang guys na first yung transfer money. Okay, dito guys, sa transfer funds, okay, so ang aking destination bank name ko, yung Maya Wallet. Okay, ito lang piliin nyo guys, Maya Philippines, Preference Maya Wallet. Okay, so dito, mapansin nyo na mayroon din yung convenience fee na 8 pesos. Okay? So, every time na mag-transfer kayo dito, gamit ang Hello Money, meron siyang convenience fee na 8 pesos. Okay? So, destination account number, ito yung mobile number nyo na naka-registered sa Maya Wallet. Okay? Mismong mobile number. Enter nyo lang dito. And then, yung destination account name, ito yung mismong account name nyo sa Maya Wallet. Okay? Yung mismong pangalan nyo na naka-registered sa Maya Wallet. Yung amount, kung anong amount ang gusto nyong ilagay. So, sabi dito, for non-AUB transfer, the minimum amount is 1 and the maximum is 50,000 pesos. Okay, so enter nyo lang guys dito yung amount. Okay, sa purpose and optional, okay, pwede yung purpose nyo dito is for example, others, okay, and remarks, okay, remarks is transfer money to Maya Wallet. Okay, ito nyo lang. Okay, so guys, kukumpletuhin ko lang guys itong information. So, yung destination account number, destination account name, and then kukontinue ko na to guys. Okay? So, ngayon, na-input ko na lahat ng information. Kailangan nyo lang guys na i-double check bago kayo mag-transfer ng money to other bank or to Maya Wallet. Okay? So, reviewing ko lang to guys and then transfer ko na. Okay? Yung account number, yung mobile number naka-register sa ating Maya Wallet. Destination account name na natin sa Maya Wallet. Amount 300 pesos, service fee, convenience fee 8 pesos, transfer to own account, transfer money. Okay? So, click lang guys natin itong confirm. Okay guys, ito success. Okay, dito success. Reference number, date, destination bank, destination account number, destination account name, yung amount, 300 pesos, convenience fee 8 pesos, and transfer to our account. Okay? So, success na guys. So, click lang guys natin itong done.
12 seconds later.
Hello guys. So, just a quick update. Okay? So, ngayon guys, naka-receive ako ng text from Maya na na-receive ko na daw yung 300 pesos via InstaPay doon sa akin from Hello Money app. Okay, so dito nababi is success, you receive 300 pesos via InstaPay. Okay, so ito na guys. Okay, so ngayon, check din natin guys sa aking Maya Wallet kung talagang na-receive ko na yung 300 pesos. Okay, so dito sa aking Maya Wallet, na-receive ko na yung 300 pesos. So, ang available balance ko na ngayon is 550.73 pesos. So, check natin guys sa transaction history. Okay? So, transaction history, yun guys, oh. InstaPay, receive from InstaPay 300 pesos. Okay? So, yun lang guys kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng money from Hello Money app to Maya. Okay, so mabilis lang guys. Very instant lang ang pag-transfer. Ma-receive nyo agad yung money. Okay? So, if you have a questions guys, please let me know na lang and then sasagutin ako agad sa mga questions nyo. Okay? Free lang kayo mag-comment sa YouTube channel ko and then sasagutin ako agad guys. Okay? So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click all notification bell button para updated lahat kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.